All right, have a seat, everyone. We're going to get started. Don't get in the way of the video now, because I can't record you, but I can record myself. So today we're going to go ahead and get started. We've had an opportunity to look at and go over the unit for social studies with our democracy. We went over the Chinese era, we went over the revolution. So we're going to just do a quick vocabulary review, and then we'll go ahead and get started on your assessment. You're going to have about 40 minutes to take your assessment. You'll have about 40 minutes to take your assessment. Don't stop. If you get stuck on something, just try to work through it, come back to it if you need to. So it's gonna make sure you're demonstrating how you understand the civilizations and the methodology of the modern world. And you're gonna be connecting through ideas, innovation, and change. Remember, this is not just a recall, so make sure you think critically about the cause and effect, and breathe and stay confident, and show what you learned. So again, you're gonna have about 45 minutes to take your test, begin with your multiple choice section, and then move on to short answer and essay. And I'm going to give you a vocabulary chart if you need it. Think about the math section if you need the help to connect. Okay. All right, now, Mr. Johnson, if you could pass out the assessment, that would be great. So you're going to get your vocabulary organized. You're going to get your assessment sorted. You'll be able to use that. And this is stuff that we already went over, so y'all should do pretty good. The bracket organizer, you guys are really good with that. So I'm assuring you that you're gonna do well. I'm assured of it, because I feel it in my bones that you're gonna do good. So if you finish early, review your map and make sure your answers connect ideas clearly. Think about how each event you study will change the world. You go to the rest of my grade. All right, come back and then get back into your assessment. The rest of you keep working. Keep working. Again, think about how each event you study changed the world. Now let's go over the vocabulary for just a second. Remember, our vocabulary word was democracy, monarchy, acropolis, Hellas, citizen, aristocracy, and city-state, and polis. Those are some of our vocabulary words for the Mediterranean. And remember, we are going to be comparing ancient Greece and Rome as well. So you have all those facts in there. Just take your time. You don't have to rush. Again, if you finish early, go back over your maps. Go back over the content to make sure that you're connecting through those pieces if you didn't remember. And then, no talking. No sharing with anybody. Remember, this is all on your own. You're working on your own today. Okay? Let's stop the video. All right, I know it's a little noisy outside, but let's act like let's turn off what we hear outside and let's just focus and think about your test. You guys, like I said, your vocabulary match, all the assessments you've been doing have been really good. So I'm very confident that you will be successful on this assessment. So let's look at the time. Everybody have an assessment? All right. Let's get started. I'm going to be walking around just checking on you, but again, don't ask me questions or don't talk about anything because you are taking a test, okay? And I appreciate you in advance. Moments, keep your eyes on your own paper. Mr. Wayne, you have your organizer. You can use your organizer if you need to. You as well, Mr. Cornell. You can use your graphic organizer only if you needed to for section B. For section B only, you can use your graphic organizer. Okay, raise your hand, I come to you. Don't talk out loud, I come to you. All right, good question. So before turning in your assessment, I'm glad you brought that up to me. Before turning in your assessment, one sentence you will write on your exit slip. You already have it, and it's the last one on the back. If you just once you flip it over. But the question is, one ancient or modern idea that still shapes today's world is what, because what. And this will help you connect your learnings to your future lessons, okay? So use your exit data, use your exit ticket to write the answer to that question. Now that question will count as 10 points, okay? It will count as 10 points. So again, I'm sorry for the interruption, but I'm glad you brought that to my attention. Also, I want to make sure that I'm going to be analyzing these results so I'll know, identify your strengths and your content mastery and reasoning skills so that I can show how you know the difference with cause and effect, okay? So I'll be using this to try to help you guys or what you don't know for our big end of the semester test. So again, this is your unit test. And I want you to just continue to focus and make sure that you, don't look on anyone's paper. I'm gonna continue to come around and look. If you have any more questions, just raise your hand and I'll come to you and we'll talk about it one-on-one when I get to you, okay? And I say, folks, don't call me over to ask me questions that's not related to what you need assistance with. And remember, this is an assessment. Stay focused.